Unit 4 Revision Gold. We're doing solutions to question 2. Here is question 2. We are given the graph and we asked to use Simpson's rule to calculate the shaded area. Okay. Now Simpson's rule, I'm going to do some labeling. I'm going to call this, now you can, some people call it A, some people call it, so I'm going to call it XO, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5 and X6. Now, Simpson's rule is is on the rule sheet, I should say, not the revision sheet, the rule sheet. Here's Simpson's rule here. So it is equal to the area is equal to the width on 3, f of XO. Now, I always just call this 4 times the odds, plus 4 times the odds, plus 2 times the evens, plus my other end. Now in this case, my other end will be with the 6. So I just shorten it down for myself. It makes it seem a little easier. So I've got width over 3, and then I add my ends, 4 times the odds, 2 times the evens. Width equals, now if I look here and look at my x's counting across, x, 2, 3, 3, 4, I'm going up in jumps of 1. So my width is 1. So my area is equal to 1/3 fx0. So that's going to be 4. Okay, that's my fx0. So that's going to be 4 plus 4 times my odds. 4 times my odds. So my odds are for x1, x3, and x5. So that's 4.5 plus 3 plus 1.5 plus 2 times, so I just wrote it over here, 4 times and those 3 numbers, plus 2 times, I need my evens. So that's x, that's 4 and 2. We do not count the x6. It's its own special one because it's the end number. So I'm going to have 4 plus 2. And then plus my end number, x6, f of x6, which is 2.1. So we now have that to solve. So I'm just getting my calculator out. And let's type it straight in. Now, some people are happy just to type straight in. Some people work stuff out as we go. So 1/3, open my brackets, 4. Oh, hang on, if I put this here, can you see both? Kind of. Now delete, delete all. So it's at the top. So it's 1/3, bring it up, times in brackets, 4 plus 4 times in brackets, 4.5 plus 3 plus 1.5. I mean, you could have, oops, 1.5. You could have done that in your head really, plus 2 times in brackets, 4 plus 2, close brackets, plus 2.1, close bracket, execute. And we get an answer of 18.03 recurring. So that's units squared, because we are looking at an area. So we're going unit squared. If the numbers were easy enough, obviously you could do it tech free. But quite often this is tech active just because you've got to do that big calculation. And that's Simpson's rule.